Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. This is Stephen Ray, and it is currently 3:15 in the afternoon. And I wanted to jump here on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube and let you guys know currently that there is a brand new tornado watch that does include the southwestern portion of Mississippi, and this does include Hazelhurst, Mississippi, Brookhaven, Macomb, and Natchez, Mississippi until 10 o'clock tonight. It also includes the Baton Rouge area, including the Louisiana State, the campus of the LSU Tigers. That is also included in this tornado watch, and this tornado watch goes until 10 o'clock this evening for a couple of tornadoes possible. Isolated hail up to the size of marbles, and a few isolated wind gusts upwards of 70 miles per hour. So once again, look at your map there. Now, of course, this does not include Vicksburg, Jackson, Hattiesburg, Laurel, Meridian. None of you guys are in the watch. If you're in Hazelhurst, Brookhaven, Macomb, Natchez, or in the Baton Rouge area, you guys are underneath the tornado watch until 10 p.m. this evening for the remnants of Tropical Storm Beta, which made landfall over near Houston yesterday afternoon. So let me go ahead and take you over here to the radar, and we currently have a new tornado warning from the National Weather Service in New Orleans that includes the Wilkinson County, Mississippi until 3:45. So let me take you over here to the radar. Give me just a second. Let me pop that up for you. And of course, there is your radar. And let me go over here. Your current tornado warning. Let me real quick turn off the radar. I apologize. Okay, so we're zoomed in here over southwest Mississippi, and as you can see, Natchez, Mississippi is currently underneath a severe thunderstorm warning, but there are your two tornado warning polygons. One is back here over the northeastern portion of Louisiana, and the other one is here across southwestern Mississippi. And let me just go ahead and read you the warnings. This warning right here goes for another 29 minutes for northwestern Wilkinson County in southern Mississippi. Now, this is a radar-indicated tornado moving off to the northeast at 40 miles per hour, and I just noticed that they just issued another one just off to the northwest of it, getting closer to the Natchez, Mississippi area as well. So let me go ahead and read you this one, and this warning expires in 59 minutes. The one that is just off to the southwest of Natchez, Mississippi. This is for southern Concordia Parish in southeastern or northeastern Louisiana and southern Adams County in southwestern Mississippi. And this is a radar-indicated tornado that is moving off to the northeast at 25 miles per hour. So once again, we have a tornado warning just off to the southwest of Natchez, Mississippi. And Natchez, Mississippi is underneath a severe thunderstorm warning, and this warning goes until 4 p.m. It is currently 3:15, so at 4 p.m. For the possibility of damaging wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour. And this storm will be near Natchez, Mississippi at 3:40 p.m. So let me go ahead and put back on the radar, and we will watch this thing continue. Now, there's nothing else going on much around Mississippi other than this active stuff off to the south and to the west. As you can see, there's moderate rain to heavy rain going up here towards Greenwood, Yazoo City. Some moderate rain up here towards Tupelo, Amory, Aberdeen, and Columbus. And let me put this into motion for you. And as you can see, this rain is just creeping on along, and we do actually have a flash flood watch over a good chunk of Mississippi because of the possibility of 3 to 5 inches between now and Friday. But the reason I'm on here is because of a tornado warning that is just off to the southwest of Natchez, Mississippi, and there comes the storm as it's running up from Simmerport all the way up to Natchez, Mississippi. So let me put this into, let me stop this and let me see about the velocity. I think we are too far away to see it from Jackson, and that is correct. So let me back out and go over here to Fort Polk, and there would be your potential tornado right there. Now, this is a radar-indicated tornado. This has not been spotted by anybody, but as you can see, there is your couplet, and there's your tornado right there as well. There was also another one that dissipated just off to the north of it, as we will step the radar back. This was 18 minutes ago. We had one circulation right here, and as you can see, as we step it along, that one dissipated and moved on off to the north, and a new one has developed that they're warning for just off to the north of Simmerport, and it is moving off Simsport. And it is moving on off towards that direction as well. So it is moving on off towards the Natchez, Mississippi area. And once again, we are underneath a tornado watch if you are in the southwestern portion of Mississippi. This does include Natchez, Brookhaven, Hazelhurst, and Macomb, stretching down here to Baton Rouge as well until 10 o'clock this evening. So that is the reason that I'm here. Now, the warning does not include Hattiesburg. The watch does not include Hattiesburg. The warning, the tornado warning does not include Natchez, the tornado warning, but that you are underneath a severe thunderstorm warning. And since Natchez is not underneath a tornado warning, I'm going to sign off on social media. I will continue to watch the updates, and if Natchez is placed underneath a tornado warning, I will be right back on here doing formal coverage for you guys. But as of right now, Natchez is underneath a severe thunderstorm warning for another 39 minutes until 4 o'clock. And this severe storm will be near Natchez around 3:40 this afternoon, for the possibility of wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. And I do need to note that this stuff is eventually going to be moving into western Alabama and Alabama tomorrow. So we will have to deal with a few spin-up tornadoes over here towards the Tuscaloosa, Demopolis, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden area tomorrow, as this continues to lift on off to the north and to the east. So this could be a long duration event of heavy rain and a few spin-up tornadoes. So once again, this is a tornado warning for the southwestern portions of Mississippi, moving up here towards the Natchez, Mississippi area, and the entire area from Brookhaven to Macomb to Hazelhurst over to Natchez and down to Baton Rouge is underneath a tornado watch until 10 o'clock tonight. So I will be right here watching the radar, and if Natchez is placed underneath a tornado warning, I will be right back here to give you guys formal coverage here on social media. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your evening if I do not see you again, and as always, you can turn right here to Stephen Ray to keep you ahead of the storm. We'll see you in just a bit.